Guys, we will be talking about addition and subtracting of radical expressions. As you see here, example number 1, 5 raised to 3 plus 4 raised to 3. We would add only the coefficient of the radicand of each, which is 5 and 4, which becomes 9. And we will copy the radicand, which is 3. And then here, example number 2, 6 raised to 8 minus 3 squared 8. So this is minus. So 6 minus 3 is 3, and then we will copy 8. Now we'll move on to example number 3. Here, as we could see, this is only 5, radicand 5. But since it doesn't have a coefficient of radicand, it has an invincible 1. So 1 minus 2 is negative 1. And then negative 1 plus 3, that's different sign, so it's gonna be minus, that will be 2. And then we would just copy the radicand of all 3, which is 5. Then let's move on with number 4. 5, here we would just minus 5 to 2, which will become 3, and then plus 3, that would be 6. And then we would just add, I would just copy the radicand of all 3, which is 6. And we would also copy the index, which is all the same. You can't copy this if they're not all the same. Good.